Varanasi, where every step is considered sacred. India's oldest, most famed pilgrimage site is sadly also one of its dirtiest. The mighty Ganga is being choked by pollution, the roads filthy and congested. And the villages in Varanasi, like elsewhere in Uttar Pradesh, facing an acute sanitation crisis.
भारत माता की! सब लोग शांत हो जाइए.
Like this one, Ahirani village, where the Dettol Swachh Banega campaign plunged into action. With the basics, teaching people how to wash their hands properly to keep germs and diseases at bay.
और 18 और उसके बाद फिर हम लोग पानी से हाथ धो लेंगे. 2 3 4
The women were the first to come forward to express a daily trauma they face at having to go in search of a field to defecate. The village only has household toilets.
सुबह यदि हम लेट से उठते हैं तो हमारे पेट में दर्द होने लगती है और हमें बाहर भीतर जाने का कभी हम लोग को मौका ही नहीं मिलता है. जिधर जाते हैं उधर जेंट्स लोग आसपास में ही रहते हैं. हम लोग कैसे बैठे हैं किसी के सामने, और हम लोग शाम का इंतजार करते हैं. शाम तक जाते जाते पेट में ज्यादा जोर से दर्द उठ जाती है और हम लोग कैसे क्या करें, आप लोग ही बताइए.
The women detailed how each season brought its specific problems. In the summers, each time the women go to relieve themselves, they have to guard against snakes and insects. In the monsoons, the fields get flooded, while the harvest season has its own issues.
बहुत तकलीफ होता है, यहीं तो जाने के लिए बहुत तकलीफ होता है. इतना लेट हो जाएगा. अब फिर इधर बीचन तो देखो फसल तैयार, सब बोएंगे फसल, तो कोई अपने खेत में बैठने देगा नहीं बैठने देगा. जब फिर कटने की तैयारी आ जाएगी फिर तो ये सब परेशानियां ही बढ़ेगी ना.
Part of the problem in villages like these is a lack of awareness on what people can do to change their own situation. The Swachh Express has been travelling across many villages, and after educating numerous people en route, it is now teaching the people of Ahirani. The village is 100% open defecation, but by understanding the very basics, they promise never to defecate in the open. This determination and willingness of these villagers to start making a change is the beginning of a cleaner, hygienic and healthier India.